So what's the best wheel cleaner? That's what a lot of people have been asking me. How I keep my wheels clean. And the honest truth, I just use the Meguiar's Gold Class car wash that I use for my car and just scrub them really good. And it gets them looking nice and shiny black. A lot of the dirt comes off. I just use all the same stuff. You know, I've tried a lot of wheel cleaners and I'm never impressed with them. You know, and if you get one that does really good job, a lot of times it's a little bit more abrasive, especially on black like this. If you have black wheels, it can easily leave little marks on it. If it dries, a lot of times it tells you on it, do not let it dry. And, you know, if the surface is too hot and that kind of stuff. So I don't even deal with that because I don't want any damage on the wheels. And from my experience, this cleans it really well, really shiny, and does a great job. And you don't have to worry about it doing any damage to it. It's clear coat safe. It's good stuff. So from my experience over the years for different cars, the car wash soap you guys use, and get a soft little mitt, and you can clean the wheels really good. You know, some wheels are harder if they're more intricate, but that would be my suggestion. So you avoid any problems with some abrasive wheel cleaners, and it gives you the same result. Still looks good. Just do it on a more regular basis and you should be fine. But like I said, it cleans it really well, and that's all I do. I don't use anything special. So I just wanted to share that really quick with you guys since I was getting asked that all the time. Try that and it'll do really good, okay? I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, everybody.